Cheers! Happy birthday, Delores!
Yay, Delores!
Cheers,
Happy
Delores.
birthday!
Woohoo! Cheers! Woohoo!
I'll make sure to forward it to. Here we are at Oakland Stone. Yes. Good hamburger pizza.
Here's our pizza at Oakenstone. Looking good. Whoa!
At Oakenstone, the beer taps are self-serve. Scan your RFD bracelet and draw as many ounces as you want.
Can we get a woohoo?
Good morning. I'm Todd and this is Lorianne and we're on the road again for our spring adventure.
It has been a week, but now our time with our friends Mark and Delores has come to an end. After breakfast at the clubhouse, we said our goodbyes. Our destination is Miami Beach, where we plan to spend a few days splashing in the ocean. But first, we got to battle the traffic to get there.
Hello from Miami.
Okay, here's our room. Nothing really much to say about it. It is a room and it has a view of the ocean.
All right, a new experience for us tonight. Publix in a parking ramp. Parked up on the second floor, take it down to a nice grocery store in Miami.
After getting provisions, we had dinner by cell phone light at the Tahiti Beach restaurant. If you've seen our other videos, then you might remember how Lorianne loves to get her feet into the ocean as soon as possible. Tonight is no different. The nighttime view from our patio of Miami Beach.
Okay, hotel room breakfast. We do the Jimmy Dean's breakfast bowl. We remove it from the box. We get ourselves a fork. Puncture the hole. And we put it in the microwave. Give it 2 minutes. Then we'll stir. All right. We remove it from the microwave. We peel back the plastic. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Give it a stir. Put plastic back. Microwave for another minute. Okay, the minute's up. We pull it out. Cover it up. Stir it. And we have breakfast. Hey, from Sunny Isle Beach in Miami, Florida.
Welcome to Sunny Isle Beach, Florida, Miami, Florida. And here we have Todd.
Hi, welcome to Miami.
And And now we're gonna have some fun.
Whether we like it or not, we're having fun.
Woohoo! Woo!
Okay, this is our first day at the beach. We've been actually in Florida for about a week. So how's the water?
It's great.
Why are your teeth chattering?
It's not that cold. We just have to get acclimated.
All right, let's see if I can catch a wave. Catch a wave and you're sitting on top of the world.
Todd's headed out to the sandbar. Almost up there.
Lorianne's a little concerned that it might be rain down there. I'm just telling her this is normal coastal haze. And there you have motel and beaches, and high rises, and really, it's where all the rich people are. No poor person really can do anything nowadays. Our actual motel, which is under construction, as you can see from the netting hanging on that side of the building. We used to schedule our vacations around the school holidays. Now with COVID and school from home and work from home and all that kind of detail, you know, it's really hard to plan vacations nowadays.
For dinner this night, we went to Ceviche Inca in Miami Beach. It was great food and great service.
All right, and this is Retired and Traveling. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button too. Don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified when we release new videos. From Todd and Lorianne from Daytona Beach. Have a great day.
See ya.
All right, this is day 2 at Sunny Isle Beach here by Miami, and we're having a blast in the water. Woo! Okay, I'm still on my tippy toes, and I'm walking out to the sandbar. A few of the waves make me have to balance, but I'm doing it. There's Lorianne. She could make it, but it's a little windy. She's a little nervous about that. We're not gonna razz her at all on that one. I understand. Okay, we got Lorianne out here to the sandbar. I knew she could make it. What do you say?
Thanks to a tall husband, it helps.
Okay, there's a good idea on how far away from the beach we are. It is low tide. It's a lower tide than it was when we first got here anyways. First time I was out here I had to swim. This time I pretty much could walk out. So Lorianne, what was the sandbar like for you?
It was nice and warm. Thankful I have a husband that's tall and can swim well to be my guide. It was nice to be able to go out there.
Good, good.
Thanks, honey.
You're welcome, dear. We've been lost at sea. We finally found a ship. We've been waving for an hour and they haven't seen us yet. There's 2 ships on the horizon. 3, none of them are even noticing us. Oh, what shall we do? What shall we do?
For dinner, on our last night in Miami Beach, we went to the Tiki restaurant. Food was great, the scenery was excellent, and I'll tell you what, these drinks are fantastic.
I'm liking a pina colada.
Hello, we're we're getting ready to leave Miami here, head up to Daytona. This is the last morning on the beach. We're pretty much all loaded up and ready to take the stuff down and put it in the car.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come back for our next adventure as we head to Daytona Beach.
Daytona Beach, woot woot. It is really hard to hold your camera steady when you've got dolphins flashing your camera. Oh look, land shark. Hey. Hey, dude.
Miami Beach.
Couldn't know where
What
we were.
is aisle something?
Where are we? We're on Happy Isle in Virginia
No.
Beach.
No. Not in Virginia Beach.
Oh, we're at Happy Isle in Miami.
Some
Yeah. Oh, we're so funny. We crack ourselves up.
Bye.
Hi.